Hello and welcome to this video demonstration of how to correctly fit the 3M 4000 series maintenance-free reusable respirators. Alan will now demonstrate how to fit the 4255 respirator. The procedure also covers the 4251, 4277 and 4279 respirator models. Prior to fitting your respirator, make sure that your face is clean shaven. These respirators should not be worn with facial hair under the area of the face seal. Make sure that long hair is tied back and jewellery is removed so that it does not interfere with the seal to the face. To begin, open the bag ensuring you do not damage the resealable strip. Remove the respirator from the bag and inspect it for damage. Adjust the head cradle if necessary. To fit, place the respirator over your nose and mouth, fitting it comfortably on the bridge of your nose. Then pull the head harness over the crown of your head. If it feels uncomfortable, remove the respirator and adjust the size of the harness before refitting it to your face. Next, take a bottom strap in each hand and hook the straps together at the back of the neck. Ensure the straps have not become twisted. You can tighten the top head harness by pulling on the end of the straps to achieve a comfortable and secure fit. The bottom straps can be tightened in the same way. It should feel snug against your face, but take care not to over tighten. Strap tension can be decreased by pushing out on the back of the buckles. After tightening the head harness, slide the 4 plastic rings over the buckles to lock the head straps in place. The seal of the respirator on the face should be fit checked before entering the workplace. A fit check is performed by placing the palm of your hand over the exhalation valve cover, followed by exhaling gently. You should feel the face piece bulge slightly. If this occurs and there are no air leaks detected between the face and the face piece, a proper fit has been achieved. If it does not and you detect air leaks at the seal, adjust the fit, taking extra care with the tension adjustment of the straps. Then repeat the fit check. If you cannot achieve a proper fit, inform your supervisor and do not enter the hazardous area. The respirator should be cleaned at the end of each shift, dried at room temperature and stored in the original packaging or a sealed container. If you are using the optional 3M 400 overspray guard to extend the life of your particulate filters, place the holes in the guard over the 4 lugs on the respirator. Ensure the overspray guard is the right way up and that there are no folds or wrinkles. The performance of your respirator relies on an adequate seal between the respirator and your face to ensure contaminated air does not leak in. The method of measuring whether or not you have an adequate seal is to pass a face fit test. Fit testing should not be confused with a pre-use fit check, which should be conducted every time you use your respirator. For more information on fit testing, please visit www.3m.co.uk/fit test respirator. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration video. For further information, please visit www.3m.co.uk/safety or call our UK and Ireland helpline numbers.